Hello.
Hi.
Today we're making chocolate chip cookies in BroToBro.
Yes.
BroToBro. So let's get this started. I don't want to take long. Alright, so now it's wiped out. We are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So let's look at the recipe.
So at the end, when we're done, we will rate the food. We will rate the cookies.
So I only found 1/4 cup, but we'll just have to fill it 9 times. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See that shadow? Not even like does not
6.
show that much of the flower.
7,
Oh, it's
8, 9. Okay, we're done with
Okay.
that. That was a long time. Okay, so now that we have the flour, as you can see, I'm not tipping
Yes.
it too much because it's going to spill. We have flour.
yeah.
So, let's go to the next thing. So, we need half teaspoon of salt. So, I'm just going to do that. Okay. We have the teaspoon now of salt. We're going to pour in it. We can do the next thing. This baking powder. Or soda. This is what it looks like with the salt. Oh, you can't see it, never mind. But it's in the middle here. It's right here. Okay, he's putting in the baking soda. Now we have to mix it all. Let's get something that can mix. This will do fine. This is an especially good mixer because it has holes here. So, when some of it comes out on the other side, which is actually useful.
So Mac, have we ever used this recipe?
No, we have not. We have not
Okay.
used this recipe.
So then we will not know what it tastes like. So we'll figure that out.
It'll probably taste like cookies.
Yeah.
So over mixing flour is not a bad thing. There is no over mixing flour. Okay. It's almost done. Well,
Oh, I thought you were gonna say done.
I was going to, but it's better to mix it
Yeah.
completely than not to. It should be fine. Okay, we are going to need to get an electric mix. So let's put this aside. Okay, we got the things to go with the beetle. Plug. So if the cord gets in the way, I don't think it will, but it might. Okay, so it's plugged in now. It has a little bit loopsy at the beginning. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Shove these in. Okay, it is good now. Now what we need to do next is, so we have Crowned Imperial for our butter. You can use whatever butter, even like coconut oil butter or something like that.
Yeah.
Any butter will probably do.
Yeah. You don't really need this butter, but we're just using it.
Okay, butter has been softened.
Sorry about my weirdness.
Okay, so beat softened butter and sugars with electric mixer. So I'm gonna put the butter in. Let's go get the sugars. So we need 1 cup of packed brown sugar, so I'm just going to do that right here.
Could have just gotten more of it from here. Guys, actually count when you're putting brown sugar in.
Unlike me.
Yeah.
Don't be Mac.
Yeah. Don't be him.
Okay, so now we're getting 1 cup of regular sugar, I think. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but now it's
Next
not
I'm
really.
doing half one. Okay, so now we're going to beat it. Okay, so medium speed, we need to beat this stuff. That's what it looks like. Yeah. I'm going to salt on 1 and gradually get better. Gradually get higher up. These might be not the best tasting cookies. They don't look all that good right now. Yeah. Okay. So there's a little bit left.
Long.
So I'm just going to put that in here. It is taking a while, but that's okay because guess what? It's going to be great at the end. I hope. Taking time with the booze. Yes. Okay,
We're done.
we are done. Yeah,
You're done.
we need to add more stuff though. We're not fully done. We're just done beating.
Yeah, we're done mixing. I thought it was
Okay.
mixing.
So now we need an egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. I will let Chance do the egg. Don't put in any of the shell. That's
I'm
not. Oh. Okay, that's not how you do it.
Oh, it's not cracked up.
No, it's cracked enough. You just push your
Oh.
fingers in and pull like that. Same time I did it, you can do the other thing. It's not that gross. Just get
To me,
to
it's
your
gross.
fingertips.
To me, it's
You
really
can do
gross.
the vanilla.
The mint.
You got the egg in.
So how much vanilla? One of these?
Yeah, one of those. That's good.
What?
Okay, now we are going
Can
to
I mix it?
beat it, and Chance can do this.
Can you over make this?
Yeah. Just so you know.
Okay. So satisfying doing this.
Yeah. Okay, so now we need to use a regular mixer and mix in the flour that we have. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time, Chance. So I'm going to get all this mixed
Also,
in.
don't eat raw flour.
I forgot to show you what it looks like last time, but it looks like
Yeah.
this right now. Raw flour, too much of it is actually toxic and poisonous. And
Yeah. Well, you can eat some, but not a
Don't
lot.
eat much.
Don't eat a lot.
Don't eat more than a teaspoon.
Yeah.
I don't even know why you'd eat raw
I
flour.
don't know. Yeah, it's not even good, and it just makes you cough.
I know it's got raw egg, but it's just a tiny bit.
bit.
Not gonna do anything.
It's not gonna make you sick.
So I'm just putting this on 1. Don't need it more. I'm only doing this to mix in all the flour and stuff. Very close to done. We're almost done. I am turning it off now because of overbeating. It's not good. It's good.
It's good.
Okay. Now we need the chocolate chips. I think I have the amount of chocolate chips,
sit
but we
down.
don't need the amount. We just pour until we think it's okay.
Yeah.
Because it's not
I wanna
like
add a
chocolate
lot.
chips change the
I want to add a lot because
texture
you
or
know.
taste. I mean, it does. Yeah, but don't add too much.
Yeah, we're using summer sweet chocolate chips. So.
Try that for now. I'm probably gonna add more, but let's try it for now. Okay, so it looks like this. Yeah, mixy mix. You know you could do this.
Okay.
You can do that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need a little bit more.
Yeah.
Not too much, but
We just want more too.
I have a feeling it's going to be my best chocolate chip cookies I've made.
Yeah.
The best one I've made.
I haven't made anything.
We did make something else and tried to film it, but it ended up not being able to be
Yeah,
published.
because I didn't have enough space on my phone. And I couldn't get enough.
This stuff is really good tasting, and I just want to eat it only,
Yeah.
but we didn't put egg replace on it. So it's just eggs,
Yeah.
and they're not cooked. I mean, cooked eggs.
Okay.
Good tasting.
Do you enjoy raw cookie dough or cookies.
I think raw cookie dough more,
Yeah,
but I don't know.
probably.
I kind of feel like it depends on what. If I'm really lazy, then yeah, raw cookie dough.
Raw cookie dough. And it tastes like it
does
takes less
taste-
long,
Yeah, that's why I'm lazy.
but also it tastes better.
Okay. So we should be done.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
Oh yeah, if you're doing this for like a sale, do not eat any of it. Do not touch anything, cause yeah.
So, 1 tablespoon rounded, 2 inches apart from each other on tray makes 48 cookies. You're not going to show that on camera because I'm afraid I don't have too much space left. But yeah, we will be back after it's done cooking. I will show you a little bit of the cooking, but yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So we have cookies, and they are done. We need to cook them now. So I'm going to put them into the oven.
To get that cookie.
Chance is filming. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
opening the oven.
Oh, the oven is hot.
Indeed.
Good job.
I don't know how much we gotta cook it on, so I'm gonna check that right now.
Let's see. Oh, those cookies look a lot better than ours. That
These
cookie
are
dough.
cooked.
Oh, I thought it was.
That's cookie. You thought that was cookie dough?
Yeah.
No, these are cookie dough. Still better, but yeah. Okay. We are done. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so this is the cookie we've
Yes,
made.
this
We
is
made it
a
a
very
lot
good
bigger than
cookie.
the other ones.
And
We are
then
going to test
We're gonna
this.
rate how good it is.
Yes.
1 to 10.
Let's cut them.
Yeah.
So, these are what they
So-
look like. Halves.
Yeah.
Alright, let's eat it.
Mmm. Crunchy, but soft.
Edges are crunchy.
Perfectly sweet.
I think we
I
could
think
have a
it's-
little bit less salt, but you know.
Mm.
Actually,
Well, you might
I
have
don't know.
eaten a chunk of salt.
it's good though. I love chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll rate it out of 10. For cookie sandals, I'll give it 7. It's good, but it's not perfect.
So, I think I'd give it like an 8.7.